Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking Android version and launcher to anticipate options. Once done, pick a clear empty spot and long press it to enter Home Edit mode. You'll see widgets, wallpapers, and home settings appear. Tap Home Settings to access grid, gestures, and icon packs. Make sure the launcher has permissions if the system asks. This prevents missing wallpapers or widget errors. From here, you're ready to change layout, add widgets, and swap wallpapers without leaving the home screen workflow. Now focus on the middle work. Set the grid size to fit more icons or create breathing space. A 5x5 grid packs more, a 4x4 looks cleaner. Then add widgets by long pressing an empty area, tapping widgets, picking a widget size, and dragging it into place. Resize by long pressing the placed widget. Group apps into folders by dragging one app onto another to organize. Also enable gesture shortcuts in home settings to speed daily use. Finish by styling and securing your setup. Change wallpaper or theme from edit mode and choose to apply to home only or both home and lock. Once satisfied, back up the layout if your launcher supports it or use a backup app to save icon positions and widgets. If something breaks, widgets not updating or missing icons, clear the launcher cache, force stop and reopen it, or reinstall the launcher. Make sure permissions remain enabled and restart the device.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.